Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, I just saw this really interesting thing which happened to XRP that I really wanted to share in a video, and it comes from XRP Reza, who said over on Twitter, "What's going on, XRP? $535 billion in 1 hour on volume. Also a 0.20 cent increase overnight while I was asleep. A glimpse of what is to come. Good morning to all XRP army." Now please guys, when you're watching this chart, know that it is the Australian dollar, not the US dollar. So if you're looking at $1.64 right now thinking, oh wow, that's so amazing, it's the Australian dollar, so those things work a little bit differently. Then again, at first I didn't believe him, because logically, there's been so many people who put up these things and say it without any good reason, just to have some clout or something like that. When I checked at the exchange, there we go. When I checked at the exchange itself, well, I mean, he wasn't actually lying. So there literally was one day here where either the exchange just went completely berserk and it glitched or what. Let me just explain it here. This specific moment in time, in this 1 hour time frame, which I think is just going to be a glitch on no, I'm not sure, guys. It's so strange. Yeah, on one 5 minute time frame there or whatever, 1 minute time frame, there's a huge glitch which happened on the XRP price, where the volume went to as high as 500 and something billion dollars, which is definitely peculiar. And again, guys, I cannot really point out why or what exactly is going on right there. Makes absolutely no sense. I've never really used CoinSpot before, so maybe this exchange is just usually kind of buggy. But if you're wondering, this is just a glitch. Then again, normally they fix glitches like this within a couple of hours. It's been going on for the last couple of days, so not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean. A little bit strange if you ask me. Then again, it's not that big a deal, not that bad. But I just find it interesting that there's such an XP glitch that sometimes gets people hyped up, it gets people going crazy, even though it's nothing to worry about or think about. Then guys, I'm going to tell you all again, make sure you check out the XRP competition right now on my channel on Bybit. You guys know it. I have a 50,000 XRP competition. That means you guys can win up to 50,000 XRP in the trading competition. So go ahead and check it out. A link is down below. I can definitely recommend. And also, guys, make sure that you press that like button, because the first of our videos that gets to 2,222 likes means that somebody in the comment section will win $250 worth of XRP. Make sure you press that like button. And my question of today is, I guess, what should we actually ask? Didn't think about it. Do you trade XRP? Let's ask it like that. Yes or no? Put it in the comment section down below, and let's get crack-a-lack. All right, some crypto news. Robinhood cites regulatory actions or policies towards crypto as business risk in filing. So the company basically filed and explained what the risks are of the way that they do business. And one of the risks which they stated was that regulatory actions or policies could come in towards crypto, which could wreck them, or at least from some part. And to be honest with you, that's something that everybody should always be thinking about. What could destroy your money, your income, your whatever. One of those things for Robinhood as an exchange, or for us as crypto hodlers, is definitely going to be the wrong regulator doing the crazy thing. Even though I've said it before, I'm saying it again. I don't think the US is going to do anything too stupid, because why would they? It's just, I don't know. It's just freaking stupid. I don't know. It's not smart because they're going to lose out on a lot of tax money. There are still some strange instances where I could kind of see the freaking US do it, if you guys get my drift. I can, from some perspective, see it, or maybe not towards us as individual crypto hodlers, but mostly where they go for the purge against crypto companies or crypto exchanges because they didn't have the proper license or something like that. I just think that you as a hodler and I as a hodler will in the end be fine, specifically in Europe, but also in the US. All right, executive order bombshell. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin are braced for a massive earthquake amid a huge price pump. As Bitcoin and crypto prices are surging across the board, the US government is weighing a regulatory crypto crackdown, according to reports. The Bitcoin price has rocketed 20% over the last month, adding over $10,000 per Bitcoin, and the price of Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, Ripple, Solana, and whatever have followed Bitcoin higher. Now, only thing I have to say about this is I personally think that the bull run is still here. I'm not sure if I should say it's been away, but it's now back. I just think the bull run is basically here. I think all coins are going to go surge like crazy and follow Bitcoin. However, it's going to take a little bit of time for Bitcoin to actually find its ground and start pushing. But I do think that that's the situation as it currently stands. Then Cardano ADA powered DeFi hub, building Cardano Elrond bridge infrastructure. A lot of you guys are really excited about Elrond. I'm a big hodler of Cardano, so I thought, you know what, there's a little dual article here. Let me grab it in. Cardano powered DeFi Ardana has announced a long-term partnership with high-throughput Layer 1 Elrond Gold, as the result of which Ardana will build the bridge infrastructure required for asset transfers between Cardano and Elrond. And those asset transfers cross-chain are extremely important for your DeFi realm, basically. Now, Ardana is a decentralized stablecoin hub, which will bring the necessary DeFi primitives needed to bootstrap and maintain any economy. Oh, guys, I dropped something. Will bring the necessary DeFi primitives needed to bootstrap and maintain any economy to Cardano. Ardana currently has two main components: a fully decentralized dollar-pegged stablecoin named DUSD, verifiably backed by on-chain collateral that allows borrowers to take leverage on their ADA or other supported assets, and an automated market maker, decentralized exchange named DanaSwap for stable multi-asset pools. You guys get it, right? It's not that crazy, not that bad, not that good. It's just neutral, but I like it because it kind of gets the best of both worlds here, and cross-chain partnerships are always amazing and good news. Then Polygon network expands thanks to larger adoption. Just good news. Dolce & Gabbana just shared over on their Twitter. Bidding on the blockchain or Dolce & Gabbana UNXD NFT debut NFT collection is heating up. Auctions live now. Now, the thing is, I don't really care for a Dolce & Gabbana NFT at all. But it's basically a new NFT collection based upon Polygon using the UNXD marketplace. And so, well, from that perspective, I'm excited about it because it's built upon Polygon. Even though on its own, I'm definitely not that interested in it. If you guys hopefully get what I'm trying to say here. Then McDonald's China to give away 188 NFTs on the 31st anniversary. So the thing with that is, guys, I've already told you guys a couple of times by now, I think NFTs are a very, very important part of the ecosystem. And I also believe that doing this, like for example, in China right now, that because they're kind of anti-crypto, these NFTs will definitely make a big step towards the right direction. So how can I say that in the best way? I think NFTs in China are a very good deal, mostly because they're so negative towards crypto. Going for NFTs might kind of even that out, or kind of get a start in, or at least find some pivoting in China, what could be allowed, for example, because most things are banned over in China. As you guys know, all those companies have been going out there. Some have stated now that China's just going to ban these NFTs too, but we shall see. Then Edward Snowden calls CBDC perversion of crypto, and here's why. Well, we can already kind of guess, right? Central bank digital currencies are not cryptocurrencies in the same sense. Completely different concept. Infamous whistleblower shares his highly negative take on central bank digital currencies, saying that the state wants to be in the center of every transaction, which is just true. I mean, everybody could already guess that though, guys. It's not something new, not something crazy. He said, "What is a central bank digital currency, you ask? Oh, you know, just a useful policy tool for casually annihilating the savings of every wage worker in the country if they don't spend them fast enough." Again, I'm not exactly sure how that's supposed to work. All I know for a fact is that a CBDC is basically as good or as bad as fiat, really, because the control still stays with the... you guys know how the control works, right? It doesn't really make anything better. Then XRP price eyes $1.50 next after bouncing 30% in just 10 days. The XRP price chart is pinning a golden cross while rising inside an ascending channel. So all I have to say about this one again, guys, is that the XRP price is looking pretty damn juicy. I can put up an ascending channel here, and we can actually see that it's most likely going to kind of keep bouncing from here forward. At least we kind of hope so. It found some major resistance at $1.24, most likely some new additional major resistances at about $1.29 or so. At least that's what they point out. They're pointing out as well that there's a 20 to 50 EMA golden cross. Not something which I generally watch. I usually watch the 50 over the 200. Not sure exactly why they care about a 50 20 to be exact. That's definitely quite peculiar. And also this would be, okay, if it's on a daily basis, actually, and we get a golden cross, which is that the 50 basically goes above the 200, which basically means that short-term average prices are doing better than long-term average prices, we're good to go, right? But if it's the other way around, or if it's not even a daily, or it's a 20 and a 50, I don't really care too much about it, just being completely honest. All right, guys, make sure you check out the Bybit competition. A link is down below. You might have noticed not that many videos out today. It's because today it's a very, very busy day for me, but it'll all be all right pretty soon here, guys. As long as you're subscribed, you're going to get all the crypto news that you need. And this one was filled with a ton of different stuff because I thought that's what you guys needed. All right, guys, make sure you press that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys again pretty soon. Take care and have a very nice day.